What happens if you walk carrying a stack of cardboard boxes and then stop suddenly? It wobbles and falls almost instantly because most of its weight is way up in the air. This invisible point where an object's weight is perfectly balanced is called the center of gravity, and it is the secret reason why some cars feel like they are glued to the road, while others feel like they might tip over at any second. Imagine you are carrying a heavy cardboard box. If you lift it high above your head, you will feel that the box shakes easily and becomes unstable. But if you hug it close to your chest, you can move much faster without losing your balance. Vehicles work exactly the same way. When a car has a high center of gravity, like a tall SUV or a heavy truck, its weight wants to keep moving straight even when the wheels turn. This creates a massive pulling force that tries to flip the vehicle over during sharp turns. This is due to inertia, the tendency of a mass to resist changes in its motion, which makes a high center of gravity keep moving straight when you try to turn. I covered the inertia effect in my previous video. We see this in real life far too often when top-heavy trucks take highway off-ramps too fast and end up on their sides. This is exactly why you will never see a Formula One car or a Le Mans prototype that looks like a minivan. Engineers design these racing machines to be incredibly low to the ground, sometimes just inches off the pavement. By shoving all the heavy components, like the engine and the fuel tank, as low as possible, they create a platform that resists tipping. This low center of gravity allows drivers to take corners at speeds that would send a normal car flying off the track. It is not just about looking cool or being aerodynamic, it is about keeping the weight so close to the ground that the car physically cannot roll over. Whether you are driving a supercar or a family sedan, that invisible balance point is the only thing standing between a smooth turn and a dangerous accident.